Next topic is related to security, but before getting started, I have to mention that 2019 has been a landmark in cybersecurity crisis with hackers targeting government agencies and private corporations alike. It has seen over 5,183 breaches, 7.9 billion exposed records, and up to 112% increase in the total number of exposed records compared to the year 2018, according to a report published by Risk-Based Security, which is a cyber threat intelligence company providing organizations access to statistics of data breaches and software vulnerabilities. The surprise in a 2017 report, only 1% of the billions of lost records turned out to be encrypted. Not to mention that the five highest affected industries are healthcare services, retail, finance insurance, public administration, and IT, as you can see from the report in front of you. And the majority of you, our 40 customers, are in these businesses fields. I'm not trying to scare you, I'm just stating facts. And this is the 40 market segment in front of you. Actually, our minds are not tuned to abstract risk assessments. That's why we all think it could never happen to me. And it does. Maybe you think a disk-based encryption with ByteLocker or FireVault is enough. Think again, what if you need to move your documents to a file hosting service? Let's say you copy your 40 backup files regularly on a new USB disk, or even a cloud-based system, maybe Dropbox, Google Drive, or Microsoft OneDrive. Ladies and gentlemen, the bad news, these three cloud storage services don't provide client-side encryption, and Dropbox says it clearly on their help page. So what to do? Well, we are coming bearing good news, and today we'll be providing a new 4D solution that is a built-in encryption tools that transform sensitive data to unusable, unreadable format. Let's take a look at this example. This is an invoice application with credit card information shown on the screen. No one would ever let me put their information on the screen. Why? Because it's private, sensitive, and storing this information in a database might be scary. Anyone with access to this particular database can read what's in it. But storing info like this is not scary at all. Why? Nothing is shown. They are encrypted and only people with the key can access it. Your data is protected no matter where, locally, on a network, on a disk drive, and even on the cloud, where your database can be hosted in total security thanks to the data file being encrypted. The 40 encryption tools are based on the Advanced Encryption Standard algorithm. It's so strong that it has become the official encryption standard of the US government to protect classified information. And according to the NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, it's capable of protecting sensitive government information well into the next century. Okay, so everything looks exciting and fancy, and you might be thinking that a heavy work of programming has to be done in order to achieve this. But I'm glad to positively disappoint you. One click is all you need for your data to be safe. Everything is completely automatic, transparent, and fast. A check in the box is all you need to do, as you can see in this video. Our table is now marked encryptable, meaning that the data stored in the table must be encrypted. So what's next? Next step is activating the encryption. You can do it from the Maintenance and Security Center. A new encrypt page in the Maintenance and Security Center is added. To encrypt your data for the first time, simply click on the Encrypt Data button. Then you will be asked to choose a passphrase which is similar to a password composed of sentence or combination of words. After restarting your database, go to your structure and check the table you just encrypted. Remember the slide from earlier? This is what you're gonna see as long as the valid data encryption key is not provided. This page, the Maintenance and Security Center Encrypt page, provides all the necessary features to monitor your data encryption. You can use it to encrypt or decrypt the data file, as well as re-encrypt the data file and change your passphrase. Another way to encrypt your data is via new4d commands. These commands are designed to support most encryption requirements and allow you to deliver an encrypted solution to your customers. For example, the command encrypt data file encrypts or re-encrypts the designated data file. Provide data key command to provide the data encryption key to an open data file, and much more commands. That was only an introduction to the 4D encryption tools. Thank you very much.